This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello bakers! In this video, I will show you how to make incredibly delicious yeast rolls using a super easy method. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of warm milk, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Also, have ready 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of softened butter, and 1 large egg. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your warm milk, yeast, and sugar, letting it sit for 5 minutes. Then add the flour, salt, softened butter, and egg. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for about 8 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl, turning once to coat, and cover it. Let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until doubled in size. After the first rise, it's time to shape our rolls. Gently punch down the dough to release the air. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a smooth, round roll. Arrange the shaped rolls in a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Cover the pan loosely with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel. Allow these beautiful rolls to rise again in a warm place for another 30 minutes or until they look puffy. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pan of rolls into the preheated oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. As soon as you pull them from the oven, brush them generously with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This adds a wonderful shine and flavor. Serve these warm, fluffy rolls immediately and enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.